Seen angel in disguise, something God above for me to love, to hold and idolize. And there's a hold your part in me. I see this small trip to a year, and then forever more, the life is gone. I keep loving me, and now I'm found my way to the only stone. All I have to do is follow you, tonight and not my love. You treat me like a rose, you give me roots, you show me that I love on me, you give me yes, so I can read. You open doors, all every door. You give me strength, so I stand up within this bed of words, just like a rose. I feel like hope is gone. You give me strength to carry on. It's all I look at you. There's something new to keep our loving strong. I hear you whisper in my ears. I love the words I long to hear you, of how you'll always be next to me, to wipe away my tears. And now I found my way to let me down this lonely road. What I have to do is follow you, tonight and not love. You treat me like a rose, you give me roots to grow. You show me that light of love on me, and give me yes, so I can read. You open doors closed, and wherever anything goes. You give me strength, so I stand up within this bed of words, just like a rose. Sabihin sabay mo tayo. Alright. Dito. Sabay-sabay tayo. Alright. You give me roots to grow.
Show your love on me and gave me this.
Open doors to close, wherever anything goes. You give me strength, so I stand up in this bed of words, just like a rose.
Just like her show your love on me and gave me yes, so I can breathe.
Thank you. Of course, gusto ko magpasalamat sa aking pangalawang ina na po, si Miss Montero po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa akin. And of course, Miss Aya, maraming salamat po. And of course, Tito, maraming salamat po. Montero family, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Gihigugma ko kamo.
Okay, okay, we have a lot of questions. By the way, simple lang. Okay, can you promote some of your projects or?
Of course, kakatapos lang po ng Mula sa Puso namin. Sino pong nakapanood ng Mula sa Puso dito? Yes, kakatapos lang po ng Mula sa Puso namin. And soon, meron po akong gagawin pong film, abangan po natin. And of course, meron po kaming tinataping po ng MMK, abangan natin.
So, any other, are you promoting an album? My friend, Myla Bueno there, she's the lookalike of Shamsi Subso. See her?
Well, actually, hindi po talaga ako singer, pero sobrang kinakabahan po talaga ako. Hindi po talaga ako singer.
You did good. Why don't we give him a big round of applause, please? Thank Artista to ha, pero kinakabahan daw. Okay? Everyone, you would be kabahan. Why? Because you're surrounded by a lot of beautiful women.
Yeah, sobrang daming tao dito and yung sobrang init ng pagtanggap nila sa amin po. Sobrang nakakatuwa po yun. Kaya, ayun, kinakabahan po ko dahil ganun po ang pinakita.
Tyrone, dahil kapamilya ka ng Panglao. Okay. So, tagahan ito sa masipag pagpag may gala.
Thank you very much,
Tyrone. Thank you. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the third and final set of special awards. We begin with the darling of the crowd. So meaning the award would be based on the applause of the audience. So I would like to request for your applause as each candidate is called. Candidate number 1. Where's Tangnan here? Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, from Saga. Number 5. That's Dulho. Number 6. From Bolot. Number 7. From Danao. Oh, taga Danao dire. Okay, how about number 8 from Arbasto Foundation School? Number 9 from Bilisan. Number 10 from Tawala. Number 11 from Bolot. Am I correct? Okay, Bolot. Number 12. Number 12? This is the Poblacion. By the way, number 6 was Lourdes. Number 13, Lourdes High School. Number 14 from Libaong. Number 15 from Look. Alright, so we would like to request one of our judges, by the way, from the pre-judging, and she is the official representative of the Philippines in the Rotary GSE program that brought this special lady to Pennsylvania, to Michigan, to New York, to California, everywhere in the United States last summer. And she is the local government operations officer of the municipality of Calapia. Let's give it up for Josie Montes. Josie and Rotarian Art Bagkat, please. You are supposed to give me the results for Miss Darling of the crowd. And based on the applause, I would like to request the top 3 ladies who got the most number of applause, or the loudest applause. Let's step forward, please. Candidate number 4. Step forward, because I will let the audience decide once again. Number 12 also. Step forward. And number 13. All right. And 13, rather. Okay, so we have 4 ladies here. Okay, so Art and Josie, maminaw mo kinsay pinakatakong applause. Okay. Number 4. Okay, from San Agustin Academy ni siya. Okay, how about number 12 from SK Poblacion? Number 14 from Lima. And number 13 from Lourdes High School. Okay, it's a difficult job. More or less, they're even, but I would like to have the official verdict of our judges, please. Come on stage, please. Art Bagkat, Rotarian Art, and Miss Josie Montes. I know it's not easy. That's why I'm giving you the job, the difficult job of declaring our darling of the crowd. Okay, the darling of the crowd is number 12. Amanda, arbitrary. Thank you, ladies. And for the face of the night, to present or to choose the winner is none other than Attorney Rocco Lamanila, one of our sponsors for tonight. He is a magna cum laude graduate of Holy University, and he is now a lawyer. So Attorney Rocco Lamanila, can you please join me on stage as we proclaim the face of the night?